Hey guys, how are you? Today we discuss about English pronunciation. When we start to learn English, we start from pronunciation. Then we easily understand how to pronounce English word, English letter, so that we bring this video. Then you have to easily spoken English and you have to pronounce each and every letter of English clearly and correctly. Now start from vowels. In English there are vowels and consonant letter. Firstly we bring about vowels pronunciation, that means A, E, I, O, U. From these vowels, first we discuss about letter A. Here is the full video. You can see this video and then how to pronounce a letter. Thank you. हामीले यस भिडियोमा अंग्रेजी प्रोनाउन्सिएसन भनेको अंग्रेजी उच्चारण सम्बन्धी सम्पूर्ण जानकारी लिएर आएका छौं। त्यसकारण हजुरहरूले यो भिडियोलाई नछुटाइकन एकचोटी अवश्य हेर्नु होला र पढ्नु होला, किनभने हामीले अंग्रेजी बोल्दाखेरि कुन शब्द अथवा कुन अक्षरलाई कसरी उच्चारण गर्ने यो सम्पूर्ण जानकारी यस भिडियोमा प्रस्तुत गरेका छौं। धन्यवाद।